Welcome to my game development stream. As always, first I start my development environment. Then I'll take a quick look at the current state of the game and then I'm gonna decide what I wanna do today. Starting takes a few seconds. Now it started. It's only on my machine. I'm the guy in the middle. I can move these enemies at the side. If I come too close to them, they follow me. And I can place these things which do random abilities and kill slimes. Now I get the high score based on how far from the middle I am. Quickly enough, I get skill points. I can choose a random one displayed down here. I get stronger. If they touch me, I lose my HP, which is currently displayed top left. And if I run a bit till I die, the highest score 2472. That's it's the current state of the game in very short. Task. Rename rod to tower. Again, calling these acts or my ability rods, but they more feel like towers. I think I wanna rename it, and then I wanna do a bit of improvement to this ability, changes better said. Let me think. Should I rename? Wait. Let's rename the thing and look how much what it is. Tower. Ability tower. Does he fix all the imports? Would be one. Still exit. Ability has a it has to be in here. No. Ah, okay. It fixed correctly. The name is changed. Now I need to rename everything. Tower. Name. Tower. I can. Tower. Also rename symbol. Tower. Did should filter forward and always get random. I think there's more random ability here. It's a tower ability. results left. Class? Oh, it's still class name. Okay. Do I third rot here? Rename. Mm. In-game task is not interested. Ability Tower. I search for it in here. To find this word. Oh, because he cares for big or small. Maybe name T. I wonder if just text replace would be faster, but it's used in some other files. I wonder if I do. Maybe text replace would have been faster. Oops. So no results left. Map generation had nothing to do with it. I think I found all. Tower character class. Oh, here's one. Tower. I hope this did work. Tower. To place tower. Okay. Tower count plus. Tower count. So far, so good. Let's see this done. Oh, we renamed it to tower. Name to tower. Didn't notice a rename for this class, but it's important. Now I wanna have specific upgrades. So we change for the tower ability. Already 100 lines long. Yeah, I have 300 damage. It's not a tower max. I no longer want random towers. I need how do I do it? When I get a random tower, I do it. Where does it happen? Random passive ability. I get all the function keys. I decide if I can use them. And it's based on ability function. Currently, I would guess that the ability function are always set. So I won't push in new abilities later. Maybe not. I could. Let's think. Tower available abilities could be a string array. Available tower abilities. Available abilities and order of abilities. Does this make sense? It's a number array. Then I next current ability index. It's a number. So I want them all. I think think this works. Available abilities. I push 3 random in at the start. I order them. And if I learn a new of abilities. Okay, let's go in. Here is the first one. I need to get 3 different. Get random passive ability. Not quite what I want. It gives me list of keys. From I can use. I make a function out of it. Function random passive ability keys. Random passive ability keys does work. Turn ability function key is this one. Oh, I do not need any value. Interesting. Turns string I in here. Does he like it? Found one error. When I left here. Random passive abilities. Keys equals this. It's random does create. Okay, no, doesn't have a random. I think I use them for credibility and they aren't allowed to have anything. I could put the game in it. It's an easy fix again. But maybe I do randomness later. Tell me available tune ability index will be 0. Order available abilities will string keys is 0, 1, and 2. Does he like it? Abilities is string array. And I don't think he complains about this, but it's missing 0.2. Okay, this only works. I have 3. This can still be improved. And max number towers 3. And I make available abilities this order is also this for and equals number of towers. No. E smaller max number of towers. Just push. I push keys. I have to modulo it by keys lengths. Push order of abilities. This is more interesting. Is it this? I push currently because it's not random. Can just push these, I think. I can throw in 30 and see what happens. Well, currently it doesn't do anything, so let's keep 3 for now. This is also incorrect. Push the same key multiple times. I do not want to do this. I is zero 1 2 is too long, no longer pushed, and then push for order of abilities. And max number tower is no longer required. Order of abilities gives my max number of towers. Max number of towers is no longer required here. Great ability object tower does not change because I give this ability. Yes. Lead cast tower. Now if I cast, it's important. Get tower count of owner. Ability tower order of abilities lengths. That tower random ability. It's no longer random. Random passive ability. A minute. Do I need this? Probably will use it later again, but currently not. next ability would be ability tower and ability index. But from here it's stability key. Start here. Ability tower. Available abilities. I need ability tower. Of abilities. Here I need ability tower. And ability index. I have available ability. Sounds not right. Availability should rename available ability keys. And index tells me I'm in the order. And the order has a number which gives me a string for the ability key. I think I was doing it correct. Now I have a key here. Now I need ability functions, next ability key, create ability. Next ability, no longer random. Also need to do ability tower. And ability index is equal to +1 modulo ability tower order of abilities cycles through these. Next arrow, paint ability object tower. Order of abilities links. Probably order of abilities links. I can no longer upgrade. This is interesting. I need an option. Upgrade option ability. I do not get any input. I need the ability as input. So then let's let I equals 0, I is small, tower available ability keys. I plus plus. Now tower did forget which ticks are the correct one. These. Tower. I plus tower something plus and this was me. I would have ability I have the key, but I push the I. That's correct. See now. Create ability upgrade options. Now become a part. Create. Oh, yep. One error, please. Perfect. Leveling character. T. T2. Upgrade option. Do I have the ability? Slightly. Ability name? I'm confused. Upgrade leveling character. Will random upgrade options. I only have ability name. And through it I need to find the ability. I find it here. on later. Let's change them. What doesn't he like? It has to exist, this is correct. Have not. As long as it's undefined, I upgrade it, fine. And these two both need to be in here. Should work. No errors. It's like it could work. Do something. Doesn't do anything. Okay. Oh, it's a game. I want state. Ability objects. Have 3 towers. Put fire circle third. Fire circle doesn't do anything. Place a new. Why doesn't he do anything? Fire circle is an autocast ability. Did I some code? Probably is a tick ability object. Tick effect connected. Tower function ability. Tick ability. Sounds about right. Should I debug? Where is probably addressability tower? Can only find it. Yeah. Wake. Tick ability object tower. This is a fire circle. Exactly what I wanted. So I now get the function in here. I have the fire circle. Passive is false. Okay, I get an idea what happened. Longer have tower affected newest tower by get here. I don't longer have this line. I create the ability. I need to set it to passive. I creates ability. But it's done by the cast tower. Create ability. Ability functions. Ability function behind. I can probably also no, initial passive. Next disability. I think this fixes it. Okay, it does its job again. Now have it cycled. Plus one fire cycle, plus fire cycle, fire cycle. Let's make it more complicated. Can now decide what to add for a type. Can the thing I create the upgrade options. Will I just push it at the end, but can also put it in at a specific position. It's the next tower, basically. Or do I want it always at the end? If I do it, it's the next position. Player can basically control it. So it gets complicated. I have the tuned ability in. I no longer know the correct. Slice returns a copy of a section of an area. It splice elements from an end. I think it is splice. Let's try. Let me start. Is I. Delete is 0. Couldn't I push something in? This current index. Eh? How did I manage this? Cut, paste. That's correct. Items. Let's see. The skill point. So if I now make something is off, I have 2 shooter, but I skilled tower. Start ability index. Splice, I delete 0. Let's split JavaScript insert specific index, perfect. Splice 0. That's what I did. Let's load and try one more time. Fire circle. This did work. Tower shoot. Did work. So the last is currently fire circle. Last is a shooter. Another fire circle. A fire circle. Shoot. Okay. This works now. Let's check something. Let's get level 10 because I think I forgot to activate the death circle. Yes. Game did not undo this change. Now I can. It's 220. 25. Click to place tower. Tower connects to closest other tower. Can display here the next one. This is Ability UI. Input to binding. And does need fill text here, I think. The tower is I just call it tower. Availability keys. Tower. Current index. Tower. Orderability. This should be a string. Perfect. I draw 8 add. 8. What is the font size? Size. The else for me decided it. I probably need also smaller size. And was it text? It's need to be shoot. Fire circle. Search. I see. Pass point. Why do I have one size in the first place? I take 12 for now. Fire circle doesn't fit. I also don't want to make it too small. Size to font size. Small. Size minus font size. Put it to the bottom with this. And then I subtract this. Is correct? Text size and font size is the same, it's 0. I want to halve it. Size is 10. Something like this is correct. Basically, yes. Let's see. No, shoot. If I make sword, I get a sword. I get a fire circle, I get a fire circle. So I control, but should I explain this? Can be, probably will display just the amount. Max Tower. For every interesting. The max tower is simple. Would display how much swords, fire circle, etc. someone has. They randomly click. I just display it and then I see. I call it tower. Ability tower here. Ability tower. Availability keys, links, plus plus. Quick. Accessibility. Head key equals this. Max key tower is let count equals T tower of abilities point here for each. Yeah. Second for loop. Oops. Counter equals 0. Next is J. So of abilities, links. If this J is equals to I, can count. One. Is correct. Sword, yes. Sword, yes. Okay. Hmm? Okay, not looking perfect, but it does its job. Now I can always now watch the next. Next is I might think this is done. I call Randomize, no, I first need more abilities. Randomize what start, it's no longer what tower starting a tower class. I did not rename it here. Towers is done. Randomize tower starting abilities. Give more list. Add more tower abilities. So I think I want to make HP regen ability for player. Ability HP regen. Spelled ET. Perfect. Where do I steal? Let me. I steal from niche. 90 lines. Probably the shortest. Ability HP regen. HP can. It as. No amount. A tick. Tick might be a lot. Amount. The number. Tick interval. Also number. And next interval tick. Optional is the time. Add HP regen ability. This is this create ability. Upgrade options. Painting. Do I need to paint? Great ability I need. It's passive, but it cannot be inherited, yes. It's not interesting for towers. Tell me amount starts with 1. Tick interval is all 500 milliseconds. Why not? Paint ability. I do not paint it. Tick ability. Tick I need. That's simpler. So if ability oops. Next interval tick Find, then we will set it to game state time ability recon tick interval. It's got relatively long here. Oh, if next interval tick is smaller game state time, I do ability owner. Does he have HP? No. He can have ability owner. Yeah. Number. Number. Ability owner HP. And should I throw even error? Let's do it. So HP plus equals ability HP amount interval tick is a tick interval, and I also need ability owner if ability owner. No, I can change it. Bigger equals mark. And check for both. If it's bigger, let's make if it's smaller. It's better smaller than if it's bigger. I can set it to max HP. Seem to miss. Work it. Upgrade options. And again. Let's give it a complete name. Amount plus 1. I think that's it. I do not need these. Can put here. I can ability now. And I can give it to the leveling character when it's created. Leveling character, no. Where do I game init? Players. Add player. Create player character. Create leveling character. Create leveling character. Character, where does he get his ability? Here, in tower. A tower character. Add ability to character. Character and create HP again. Create ability HP. Perfect. Now this guy can make HP. Let's take a bit of damage and at 80. Now max HP is relevant. Character paint. Or was it leveling character paint? That's UI. HP. Also the P. Character max HP. Perfect. From 200. HP Ring. Increase my max HP here. Else. Oh, it's max health even. Is it a leveling character or a character? It's max cells. No, it's not even max cells. It's max HP. No. Max HP. Okay. No, it's correct. So in this version it wouldn't wreck because perfect. Try again. Max cells. Damage to me. I have the feeling that HP Regen appears far too often because of how the selection works. So maybe I can work on the randomization a bit to be able to influence how often what is. What am I able to select? Wreck faster than this thing does damage. Okay, and this display stuff badly. Where did I paint it? To fixed. This shouldn't. No, it already does more damage than I'm gonna wait. Barely survive. Oh, can I die? I wreck. Think. Let me see. Wreck. Tick. Ability. I'm confused. If my owner is dead or a pet, I should not regenerate. But I cannot determine it. Didn't matter before. Let's see what happens. Node connect. Start. I die. Which is not a problem, but let's change it up a bit. Good options, upgrade leveling. Tick level if I'm dead. Let's make character. Oh, I think it's interesting to see what the max HP was. Let's just set it to it. To change it, but I need ability tower. This just copy the complete thing and we'll cut everything out. So paint ability again. Ability ability again. Ability HP again description. Well, I probably don't need so many. Direct around it. Check. Have to win. Again. Text line counter. Stats. Tick interval. Let's throw away the other ones and these ones. Tick interval, and let's change it up a bit. Tick interval, but I want divided by 1000 seconds. Can I do to fixed? Might be already, well, I take it. Tick mount. Let's see what happens. Nothing happens. I thought, oh, I did not link it. Of course, then nothing happens. Paint ability stats. Tick interval, tick amount. Enough. No. T complaint always supports this, but below here doesn't complain, so ignore. HP herring I have. Next would be ability upgrade option influence. That's a correct word. Probability of options. Okay, this would be next. HP again. New ability HP Regen. Push. Let's think. If I give them great options, I could also push between name and the upgrade and that yeah, I have the upgrade option ability. I have a probability factor number. Let's see. I have the probability factor is 1. Just what I use as a starting value. Yes, okay. Shoot doesn't complain. E could have used the default value. Doesn't matter now. Via circle. Okay, now where do I choose? Does the character choose? No, the leveling character has to choose. Oh, here A is missing. Is it in here? Random upgrade options. Okay, I Create leveling character upgrade options. I get all the ability options for the ability upgrade options, so then I have 3 to fill. I get a random number based on the count of options, but I now need take the probability have to add all the factors together, then I have a max, and then I need to find which upgrade option is behind it, and if I got it, I need to remove it, do the calculation again. Okay. Can I create character options? I think I need to let character option probability probability. It's character options I'm unsure. Let's character option probability factor this would count it, but okay, let's just build it and see if I can make the code better, because it's getting messy. That's what it is. And now I have probability for this. Ability options. String 2. I want nothing in here. Options. No. Oh no, it's correct. The ability number probability. I messed this bracket up. Starts empty. I get this ones. Did I use options somewhere before? Doesn't look like it. Oops. I have options. No, don't replace options and ability. I have to calculate it again. Probability option, probability factor. Character option. Start with 0. I set it. Get it. Okay, because I changed this up, there a house down there. Oh. This gets messy. To think a bit. First, I do not have. Determine them. Okay. I get the character upgrade options. And get the probability. Probably get a lot of function out of it later. Mhm. Probably no longer interested in this, so let's get the keys. Let start with 0. No, we don't start with 0, we start with character probability iterate ability option keys. Oops. Plus equals the options key point probability. And I have a total probability. I no longer need to floor it. And now this already defines what I need to do. Random index 0. This should no longer be what I need to check. This is also not what I need to check. When the random index is smaller, I replaced too much. Did something strange. This, then it's a player skill. And now I need to determine which skill is behind it. Means I need to iterate over all character abilities. No, over all character options. Correct. And it's a random index, but ability. I don't know if this takes this word for now. And misclicked. Let ability index start with something. Character option of character options. Random probability minus equals character option probability factor f Probability is smaller 0 or equals 0? Unsure. Oh, I need the index. I think we don't have it with this variation. I already have an I. Character ability index. A character option in and options index to character option in no. The index is this. And wake. Ability index is now and I don't need to second time. This could work. I splice it out, which means I manipulate this probability. I splice those character options as index, so I reduce ability by it. If I it's never happened. And I have an error. Random upgrade option. Abilities. So this should not happen. This happens. Okay, I think this is complete. Now this is not the case. I do random probability minus equals character option probability. And now ability index correct. It's more like an upgrade index. Option index. Character option index is probably better. Okay. Character option, yes, now it fits. Now I reduce it by this. I want to know the ability index first. For this, I need to iterate over abilities. I get all options, abilities option. I need something like this again. Let's start with it. Ability option keys did not change. I do not need to get them again. Total probability is not what I want currently. So I delete it. So ability options keys is what I want. Ability options, yes. So now I need something similar. Check something like this. Key. Not character, ability options, key, probability. The random probability is below 0. My ability index is and again have a key but not an index. Add key index equals 0. Key index smaller than key ability option keys point lengths. Key index plus plus. Key index. But to change it up, I need to check this, and I only reduce this ability, the probability smaller, then I do it. I have my ability index minus 1. Minus 1 no longer required. Ability name, ability options, ability name, random in. It's no longer the case. Now I need to iterate over ability options. Here. This is option index. It's more ability option index. has to be smaller than ability options point length. Is incorrect. Ability point options point length. Okay. I iterate over this and I want let ability index I mess something up. Ability option index, but this is what I have here. Okay, I do not this. Now I do like this. Probability ability options index options, and I have here probability factor. If random probability is smaller than 0, then I can wake at the end. Ability options. Options. Ability option index. Ability options, splice, index. If the options length is 0, I delete it. And I need two options probability index probability factor. I need to reduce it. Code work. If let's throw another error. This is the if else. Can pull it out and no, this is a different. If probability is bigger equals 0, I did not find. But now I have 2 times the same text, which is bad. T think to character options. Ability to random value to I. Hi. And I'm interested. Give me a skill point. And it crashed. Perfect. This is break there. Break somewhere else. Okay, just check here and let's see what happens. I start, I have character. So I have two options. I would expect a 2. Yes. What do I do with this 2? Only nothing. Okay. Same for abilities. I have an ability. Okay, ability tower, yes. Options. I have 4 upgrade options, so I the number. Oh, I was too fast. This is no gun. Now I have one. Perfect. Did I jump? I have no more abilities. Correct. I put these in here. I have HP ring 1, ready tower, perfect. Ability option keys. Fine. Total probability starts with 2. Then I get 7. Perfect. Now I get a random number. 2, 9, which means it's greater than 2. I go to the else part perfectly. I reduce the number by this amount, which gives me, so the first ability, first key should fit. That's always a 1. And ability options. Missed something, but the TypeScript did not warn me about it. Did I mess up? I give in number, but this has strings as a selection. Why doesn't he warn me? It's off. He knows this is a number. He should know this takes strings in. He's fine with it. Interesting. So ability index. is duplicate naming. Also do this. Don't know if it's better. Wake. Take the ability index, ability option keys. So the option keys, ability index, probability is what I want. This gives me the key and this gives me the probability. And do I want the index or do I want the key string? Important. It's a 3. So key index, ability key index. And if this I want the key maybe. Didn't want to delete this. This is now an array. Messed something up. I have ability option keys. Strings. The ability options. The option are filtered by ability name. So the key is an ability name. So this is ability name. Doesn't like ability name. There's already an ability name. Okay, here's ability name. But the abilities. No, abilities is a string. I would have needed an index, but I have to do it like this. Ability name is here. Should I not find an ability name, it will crash. It's fine. Maybe it works. Maybe. Also start. Still have breakpoints. Tell me where. I have to step through it again. Here's my waypoint. Okay. Oh, yes. Okay, let's just step over it. Did the first part already, so it looked good. So I will be skipping to here for the next time. I need to here was already. I 0.2. It's below 2, so I go in here. F to go in the negative. Perfect. Gives me an index. I break out. And of course it's negative. So this check is off. So we like this. Let's go back again. Node. Now it's bigger equal, so I go here, push an option and have upgrade options. Okay. Tower third, tower shoot, tower shoot. So far, looking good. Now let's go here and increase to 100. And now I expect to always get HP ring. Always, but most of the time. Most of the time is the first option. Let's gain first. Okay. Now let's do a 10. Okay, it's still always in till now. I would expect, how many skill points do I need for time to ascend? 60. Oh, okay. But I think I can keep it like that. Every ability now has the same probability. Max cells I wreck. King. Okay, do I have more time? Oh no, it's late enough. It's ability upgrade probability factor added. Push. that's about it. Call it tower shoot, but let's call it tower bullet. Then I have to rename this ability. Well, then let me rename in the tower tooltip. And it's also shoot. The only place where naming this matches. This is confusing, but go ahead. And I will play one round. Or I think no playing on Steam for me today. Maybe one fast round just. If I can create a crash by just random pressing around. And I did. Okay. I will end here for the day. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.